Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Alkaline. Say we great. We know Alkaline great. So, I know what that song is about, but we know same great already. So, BG, you're great. Like, them can't take it from you. Like, the amount of fight we get from the industry, bro, that alone make you great, bro. Like, come on, G. Like, but anyway, we're gonna jump on the one and see what the G has said. So let's get it.
Once more, see it flying high, and you know it's a rare one, can't deny it. So we great. Teach you what's happening, let them learn how to elevate. I want them to be them at the boat, yeah, we celebrate.
How can I easy, you know? Yo, the first thing what obvious to me, what just pop out to me, is the fact say Alkaline, watch this. Look which part him there. Out in one field by himself. Which animal in a field all the while? Goat. What is the acronym of GOAT? Greatest of all time. You understand? So the boss saying, yo, say we great. You're great, brother. Alkaline do some things where go over enough people head, like run over people head. Like, I don't know, like, he's just a genius. Try to the Alkaline and never graduate, bro. Like, that's, yo. Man don't want to feel by himself. GOAT.
So we great. Teach you what's happening, let them learn how to elevate. I want them to be them at the boat, yeah, we celebrate. Man, I want everybody, let them know, yeah, man, so we great.
Watch that. One of them want to feel like self-talk. He's a goat out in the field. Greatest of all time. That's how the boss has said, dog. Like, come on, G. Like,
celebrate. Man, I want everybody, let them know, yeah, man, so we great. One thing we make them know. Alright, we don't want no story no more of, you know. We don't want go 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and go. We don't want go best way they conscious come.
Man say no want go 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 in a handcuff. That's why I'm have to shoot out. I'm have to shoot out better and go and live overseas. Cause you don't know, say the people them did him end up round there, so. Man depend that. They got the G. The man G depend them thing that dog.
So we great. One thing we make them know. Alright, we don't want no story no more of, you know. We don't want go 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 and go. We don't want go best way they conscious. Come down to principle where you know that I must. You live and you learn, stay from strenuous. The journey only lasts when a human give up.
Yo, but we can't stop that, but the fact say, yo, the boss is in the field by himself. Like, him out in our field by himself. It mean two things, bro. Like, I'm in my own field. I'm in a field by myself. I'm there so by myself. No boy can't step in that field. Yeah. This is my zone. That a meaning one. Meaning second is goat. Boss a goat. Boss out in that field. Great. Goat. Yeah, that.
You live and you learn, stay from strenuous. The journey only lasts when a human give up. Them can't take you, rude boy, think he's purpose. One thing me know, me have to fulfill me purpose. Yeah, so we raise up.
Them can't take the rude boy thing for circus. One thing I have to know, say I have to fulfill his purpose.
One thing me know, me have to fulfill me purpose. Yeah, so we great. Teach you to make them, show them the way I make we elevate. I want them to be them at the boat, you know, yeah, make we celebrate. Man, I want everybody, make them know, yeah, man, so we great. We are make them know. Alright, our is if we ever see we full potential. Wait up, if we fix up back with mental.
Worries if them ever see with full potential. So basically, man, I tell you, say, yo, me not reach my full potential yet. Me not peak yet. You know what that mean, bro? If Alkaline do all them things that we do already, brother, and him not peak yet, brother, like, come on, dog, which part the peak there? Where the peak there? You understand? Yeah. And then after that, him say, yo, why that happen? If him fix up back in mental state, him mean. You see me? If him put himself back in our mental place where he did the hungry feet, like 2012 to 13, 14, 15, when he did the hungry feet, what that happen like if him a pre them way there right now?
So we break. We are make them know. Our is if we ever see we full potential. Where happen if we fix up back with mental? Spread up to one another because that is essential. Have control over with destiny so presidential.
Man say spread love to one and all because that is essential. Love to one and all. And the first year I preach about love still in that J to God.
Spread up to one another because that is essential. Have control over with destiny so presidential. COVID that did the topic 2 years down then like it. So and so XYZ or else you go catch it.
Deep.
Spread up to one another because that is essential. Have control over with destiny so presidential. COVID that did the topic 2 years down then like it. So and so XYZ or else you go catch it.
2 years them locked down the place for. We know that. 2 years them locked down the place for. Yeah, that was the big topic. The big C was the big topic. Them scare you and then say and then it leave you fear wonder say what gonna happen if we catch it together.
COVID that did the topic 2 years down then like it. So and so XYZ or else you go catch it. The capability, the attitude, the great. We match it. And now we live 150 time machine. No need to go on a doctor when I'm pushing tea.
What I'm saying?
And now we live 100 topic 2 years down then like it. So and so XYZ or else you go catch it. The capability, the attitude, the great. We match it. And now we live 150 time machine. No need to go on a doctor when I'm pushing tea.
Elder will live 100 and hard, brother. You don't need to go on a doctor called Bush IMT. You see me? Bush IMT, like Bush IM treatment. Like him use the natural remedy from the earth to get what he need for him body like. And I live 100 and hard when people out there die out there have natural causes at 30, 40, 50, even 20, even babies, natural causes. Move on the dancing this and go about the natural causes. I want to kill the people them. That's what the GS said.
And now we live 150 time machine. No need to go on a doctor when I'm pushing tea. The blind man never look at and he still find me key. And some man I tell you say them can't do this, yeah, me G. Anyhow you afraid of feeling never try cancer free. I time want the masters just know that you see. World art and we play feel every day it reveal. And every day I get them want the masters just know that you see. World art and we play feel every day it reveal. And every day I get them day when you feel. I said we. So we great. Teach you to make them learn and make we elevate. And when them do it and them achieve out for do yeah we feel celebrate. Man I want everybody get together don't segregate. One thing we make them know. Alright.
You fuck yourself with the youth. What you do? Alkaline, what yo? Where the fuck that?
Alright.
Yeah, the first we see Alkaline laugh so bro. I swear the first we see the G laugh so. Yeah, big up Alkaline dog. Yo, big up Alkaline dog. Alkaline great for real, bro. No joke. The man great, bro. The man great. Yo, you can never study alcohol. You can never study Alkaline because you don't know what is found in mid next. You can never study this guy, bro. Like seriously. Yo, big up Alkaline dog. Alkaline, you're great with G. You're great. Big up all of the Vendetta fans if you don't know. So this is how I'm going to leave down. If you enjoyed that one and want some more, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys in the next one. For sure. Alright? Peace.